Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club. I am working with the November kits and I also used a pretty cut file for this project. I double cut that Merry Christmas title and I just made one of them a bit bigger. And here I'm just adding some water to that title, and then I will sprinkle some of the Papa Pink magical powder on top of it, just to get a nice color on that cut file. My idea was to create a kind of a shadow look with a bigger one, and for that I am just coloring it, and so we are scrapping. Our theme for this week is Christmas favorites or holiday favorites. I'm not pretty sure right now. And I'm scrapping 4 pictures from me and my 4 boys. And I'm a big fan of family time, and our year is always very busy, and we are all having full schedules, and we are just running out of everything every day. So I'm always looking for the holiday season to calm down and to just relax and to have some great family time. And so this is just my favorite part from the holidays. Now I'm prepping my pattern paper, my background paper, for some mixed media, or for some very light mixed media, but I wanted to fade out some of the pattern just because or so that the title will stand out. And I will also bring in some texture paste and the cute stencil from the color kit. And I just totally love how this is coming together. I will, now I'm bringing in some texture paste and that gorgeous stencil, and I'm just adding 2 little areas where the title will go. Yeah, so and then I will also add a tiny bit of that same color to that background paper. I'm scrapping 4 tiny selfies, and I will just create some kinds of presents from the pictures. I will add some frames or some die cuts behind them, and then I will add a piece of baker's twine in black and white to the pictures with a little bow, so that they are looking like a little present. And I just totally love how this is looking. I'm sorry about my voice. It's very early in the morning and I'm just having a cold or something is coming. I don't know. So I'm just so my voice is just a bit weird. Yeah, sorry. So here you can see my pictures, and there's a piece of pattern paper behind each of them, and a little cute bow. And now I'm looking into the chipboard stickers, and there are some cute frames and a wreath, and I will just place them behind the pictures. And I created the pictures black and white just because the colors were not matching my color scheme or my idea from the layout, and so I'm just going with black and white, and this is the easiest way to get 4 different pictures on a layout. One of my other ideas was to let the Santa hold one of the pictures, and then I will just place some of the paper trees around it, and he's just adorable, and I totally love that idea. So you can see I added a tiny hint of color to my background. There's just really just a hint of color on the texture paste, and my title is already glued down, and now I'm just gluing down the pictures with some foam tape, and just for some dimension and for some shadow. And I love the selfies, and I love my boys, and I just love this layout. Yes. So now the Santa, and the other 3 pictures have, or they got a frame behind it, and the other one got a frame, a wreath, and the 3rd one or the 4th one is just one without anything. And so I thought this would be the perfect place for the Santa, and it's just adorable. I love it. So now I'm looking into the puffy stickers just to decorate my layout, and I will add some tiny word stickers to each of the pictures, and the first one in blue is favorite, and then I will also bring in my heart is so full and love this, and I believe together. And here you can see I added a bunch of stuff, and I don't know why, but it took me so very long to get this kind of decoration done, and so I turned off the camera because it was driving me crazy. And but now you can see how this is looking so far. And now I'm gluing down the paper trees, and I have added some puffy stickers. There's a little angel on top of one of the pictures. I added a little candy cane to one of the pictures, some hearts, and some, like I said before, some of the word stickers. And I will also bring in some lines for my journaling, but I will add the journaling later. I need a new pen, a new pencil, I don't know. So nothing was writing on the gesso, and so I just need to get a new one. And yeah, I will also add some Christmas decoration stickers to the title, but you will see that in the final pictures, and some star sequins. And yeah, but next to that I am done. So you will get a close-up and some final pictures at the end. Thank you so much for stopping by. That's it. Talk to you soon. Bye.